Isa sa pinakamalaking controversy na feeling namin kaming mga manonood at nanonood sa inyo, na parang pinaka-naapektuhan kayo was the latest one with GMA and TV5.
It was more of TVJ and Tape Incorporated.
From the outside, looking in, ang isipin ng tao, it's because of the transfer from GMA to TV5. Pero kasi sanay na nga ang Bulaga from Channel 9 to 2 to 7 to 5. Pero itong last na to,
We were
talagang-
happy with GMA.
Yes.
Until now, wala naman kaming masamang tinapay with the GMA people. We're still friends. Ang naging problema lang namin is with Tape. I mean, just imagine, 44 years of doing it, making money for them, enriching them. Tapos, all of a sudden, kasi dahil nagkakaedad na raw kami, aalisin na kami. Eh, 8 Bulaga yan eh. Kami yun eh. I mean, you know, si Joey nag-invento nung title eh.